Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing. And all my people that...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys an updated version of how I have been doing my own nails at home, my own manicures and stuff. Just going to be showing you guys different techniques. I've been using different products and tools and all that good stuff. So before I get into the tutorial, I'm going to just give you guys like a run through of like the new products I've been using, like main products I use and different tools and stuff to actually do my manicure. So I've been doing my own nails for officially maybe like a month, a little over a month now. I really like it. I enjoy doing my own nails. I find it very therapeutic just to kind of take that time of self-care and just sit, do my nails how I like it and everything. So it's been really nice for me. I've gotten a lot of people asking about my nails and how I do them and all that stuff. So that's why I'm giving you guys an updated video on that. The nails that I use are this is what the case looks like. It comes with 10 different sizes of nails. I usually only use like maybe the first 4 or 5 because I have really small nail beds, so I don't need like really big nails. All my nails are pretty small, so I use the smallest sizes for like each one. So yeah, these are the nails that I use. I get them off of Amazon. This is a pack of 500 and I think they were like $5. So if you guys saw my last video where I got some nails from Walmart for like $5 and they were also a 200 pack, same price. So like I said, I get way more nails out of this pack and I really like these nails. These are the ones that I got from Walmart. I think these are like a little more official. You can say they definitely feel like sturdier and I like them. I got a longer set so I can like clip them just how I want it, and I wanted to try out longer nails and stilettos. The old ones I had were round and I shaped them into like squares, so I like these ones I got a lot better. For nail glue, I use this little bottle of nail glue by Naileen. Yeah. So yeah, I use this little bottle of nail glue by Naileen. Also from Amazon, it is a ultra quick nail glue, dries in like 3 seconds. So you do have to, well, once you press it on the nail, it dries really quickly. I won't say like you have to be really quick once you put it on the nail to like put it on, so it doesn't dry like super fast where you feel like you have no time to glue them on. It is definitely stronger than the previous nail glue I was using, so I would definitely recommend this, and I will link both of them down below for you guys if you're interested in getting them. Next, for tools, so for cutting my nails, I just use a toenail clipper, just a regular size toenail clipper. I just like using this one because it's bigger. I feel like it clips my nails a lot better, especially when I have the tips on, so I don't have to worry about like them breaking or like popping off or anything. So I always just use a toenail clipper because it's a lot easier to cut the nails down with them. For filing, I just use these 2 nail files for my filing. This first one I do to actually shape my nails. Once I cut it, get it into the shape I like, even the sides and everything like that. This is what I use this one for. And this one is more like a buffer. I use it to buff the front, buff the sides, make sure everything's like nice and smooth before I get ready to paint. So yeah, those are the only 2 files that I use on my nails. I get them from Ulta and I get a pack of like 20, so I don't have to worry about it for a while, and that's that. And then I use this little scalpel thing sometimes to help remove the nail, and also I use this flat piece to just push back my cuticle and clean all that stuff up. You definitely don't have to be like a nail expert or anything. I just rather do my own nails in the safety and comfort of my own home. I know what I'm doing, what products I'm using, and everything like that. So I just feel like it's a lot easier, and it really only takes me in total maybe like 20-30 minutes to do my full manicure, and I'm good to go for the week. So as far as nail polish goes, the first thing I put on is my base coat. The first thing I put on is my base coat, which is just a plain clear nail polish. I got this from my local beauty supply store. It's just like $1 or $2 just to get plain nail polish. Doesn't really matter. Base coat I don't really care about because it's just going on top of the fake nails and not mine. So yeah. And the nail polish that I currently use is Sally Hansen's Insta Dry. I really like the Insta Dry nail polish because it dries really quickly. One coat dries in like 60 seconds. So I'll like paint my first coat and then blow dry it for 60 seconds and they're dry already. So that's how I do it. I paint it, then blow dry it, then paint, just so the process is a lot quicker, and I don't want to like do coat after coat and then wait for all of them to dry because I think that just takes way too long for me. So yeah, I use Insta Dry because it dries really quickly, but it also gives a really nice shine. The nail polish itself, like, it doesn't have like a dingy type of look. It is glossy on its own, and I really like that with this nail polish. It almost looks like gel, and people ask me all the time, oh, is that gel? Do you use gel nail polish? I do not use gel nail polish. I eventually want to switch to it, but for right now, what I'm doing works, and I'm sticking with it because I have a lot of these and a whole bunch of different colors, and like I said, it is great nail polish, so I will continue to use it. For my top coat, I use the Sally Hansen Dry Instantly top coat. It is like another Insta Dry, but it's like their actual Insta Dry top coat. It's not like these in the full section. If you can see, there are two different size shape bottles and everything. So yeah, I like this. This is like I want to say maybe like $4 to $5 for this, and these nail polishes are like $3 each, so definitely not expensive to do at home, and they'll last a while. So yeah, this is the top coat that I use. I really like it. It does dry very quickly. Again, I'm all about my nails drying fast, and since I'm not using gel, I don't want to just like use regular polish, but I could because I do have some, but I like the Insta Dry, and all this just works for me. So that is pretty much it on products. So if you would like to see the full tutorial on how I do my nails, just keep watching now. Okay guys, so for starters, I'm just showing you guys how I take off my nails from the previous week. I usually run my nails under warm water just to kind of soften up the glue to make it easier for them to come off. And as you guys can see, I'm using this tool that I talked about in the beginning of the video to just help me take off the nails a lot faster. But this is a really quick and easy process. It takes me like a minute to take off all my nails, and then I can move forward to doing my new set. So since I've been doing my nails for a few weeks now, I pretty much know basically the sizes that I need for each nail, but just to kind of show you guys the process of how I go about that, I just pick a nail and match it up with my nails and make sure that everything fits, and then I lay them out in order so I know how I'm gonna glue them, just so I just don't mix things up. I lay them out right hand, left hand, and just go about it like that. So once I have all my sizes and everything laid out, I can begin to glue the nails on, and all I need to do is take a drop of glue. You don't need any more or it'll be way too much glue, so you only need one little drop of glue, and then you can glue it onto your nail. I glue it right at the beginning of my nail beds just to really make sure that it fully covers my nail. Since these are basically full coverage press-on nails, I want to make sure I actually cover my entire nail. But once it's glued on, I press and hold it for about 15 seconds, and then it is good to go. So yeah, this part of the process is pretty straightforward. I'm just adding one drop of glue. Like, I literally let it run out of the bottle by itself, one drop, and it's done. Place it on, hold it for 15 seconds, and I'm good to go. So I'm just going to show you guys this a few times just so you guys can see it and get the hang of it. So these are what my nails look like straight after gluing them on, nice and neat. And after this, I will go into clipping my nails to my desired length. Of course, if you wanted the nails as long as they come, you can just leave them as is. But I like my nails to be a little shorter because I don't want them too long. I don't need them extra long going to work and stuff. It just wouldn't work, and if they're really long, it'll definitely be easier for them to pop off. So I just clip it to my desired length. I think I probably cut it like half an inch or something, I don't know, but that is all personal preference how you want to clip them down. I just wanted mine a little shorter. And after that, I go onto my next hand and I clip them, and I just like to size them up and make sure they're all even, or as even as possible, because I know it can't be completely perfect, but I try my best. And after this, I go in with my nail file to just shape it how I want, you know, smooth out the sides and kind of get more of that coffin look that I want, since it kind of got out of shape from cutting them down. So yeah, this part is personal preference. Again, you shape it how you want your nails to look, and that's pretty much that. So the nail buffer I normally use is really worn out, and I didn't realize, so I'm using just a different buffer that I got from like a nail kit or something. Doesn't really matter what buffer you use, you just need a nail buffer. And I do this just to smooth out my sides and the front of the nails, just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth before painting. After buffing, I take a wet cotton ball and just wipe off all my nails to wipe off any excess product and dust and stuff from filing, just to get that all out the way. And then I'm going in with my clear coat on all my nails, just one regular base coat for painting. Typical things you would do if you're painting your nails as normal. You always start with a base coat, and then I'm going in with my Sally Hansen Insta Dry. This color is 503, I believe, and it's called Set Sail. It's a really pretty blue. I really like it. I just wanted something different and bright, but of course by the time you guys see this video, I've changed my nail color at least 3 or 4 times, but we're not going to get into that. So I always do 2 coats of polish on each hand of the actual color. I just feel like that's just something you're supposed to do when you paint your nails. Like, you automatically just do 2 coats. And then I am blow drying my nails on low heat for 60 seconds on each hand, and my nails are completely dry once I do that. Afterwards, I'm taking a cotton swab dipped in nail polish remover to wipe off excess polish around my nails, just to make a nice uniform look. You don't want, polish hanging off the side of your nails and on your skin and all that stuff. That's just not cute. So I go in with my cotton swab just to clean all that stuff up so it looks very nice and neat. And last but not least is the top coat. Again, this is Sally Hansen's Dry Instantly nail polish, and guys, it really does dry super quickly. I just do the top coat and I use my blow dryer for like 30 seconds and they're completely dry. This product definitely works really well. It's not a scam. It actually does dry quickly, just like it says, but I use my blow dryer just to speed up the process. And these are my final results. I think my nails came out super cute. I really love this nail color. It looked so nice. These nails will last me about a week, and I can always take them off and pop them right back on. That is the beauty of using glue on nails. But yeah, this is it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it or feel like you learned something from this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Do, 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 do.